Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TechFox back with another quick tech tip. Today, I'll show you how to change the screen resolution in Windows so you can get the best display quality for your monitor. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's jump right in. First, right click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings. This opens up the settings for your screen. Now scroll a bit and you will see Display Resolution. Click on the drop down menu here and you will see a list of resolution options. I recommend choosing the one marked as recommended for the best quality, and I already chosen it. In this list, if you want to choose any resolution from here, normally you have to click on that. And if you want to keep the settings like this, then you have to click on this Keep Changes. On the other hand, you have to click on Revert button. I already chosen the first option, so I'm not gonna change the resolution. And that's it. You have successfully changed your screen resolution. If this helped, please hit the subscribe button for more quick tech tips from Mr. TechFox and hit the bell notifications. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.